friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to add a sticker to your iPhone photo. It's really cool to give your photos a unique look and share them on social networking platforms like Instagram and Snapchat. Whether you are a social media buff or a normal Joe who loves to make eye-catching images for sharing on social networking platforms, chances are you would be super glad to know that there is a neat way to add a sticker to a photo on iPhone. This is precisely what you need to amp up the fun quotient of your photos. So, if you're willing to find out how this cool tip works, let's get started. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now head over to the image in question. Then tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the markup icon at the top right. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the user interface, and then choose Add Sticker option in the menu. Now choose the preferred sticker type. After that, select the desired sticker and then place it at the right spot on your image. Yeah, you got that right. The handy drag and drop gesture can let you place your sticker with precision. As there is no restriction at all, you can add as many stickers to your photos as you wish. In the end, make sure to tap on the Done option at the top right corner of the screen, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully added a sticker to your iPhone photo. Later, if you ever want to revert the change, simply open the very image and then hit the Edit button. After that, tap on the Revert button and confirm the action, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy at home. Bye-bye.